Well, hello guys, how are you today? I am Zubair from Zubi Tech World, bringing you another exciting video. As you can see from the picture, I have the Xiaomi Note 5. Well guys, what Xiaomi has under its sleeve in this Note 5, the warranty card on the back, my favorite knife. Lost it a few minutes earlier and finally found it. Well, today is the unboxing of the Note 5 of the Xiaomi. Well guys, let's see what are the contents of the Xiaomi Note 5. And mind you, this is the 3GB and 32GB ROM version, and it is in blue color. Let's see what's inside this box. If I can just only open. Now the packaging over here is superb packaging. Done. Okay, here you can see I have the warranty card. It starts from 5th October 2018. Now it's July. You have 3 months remaining in the warranty to start. Now that is a thumbs up from Xiaomi, because it's giving you the 3 months. It's giving you the 3 months when the warranty starts. Well guys, nice looking box, a red color box, different box. Mostly I have seen black colors, blue colors, white colors, but this one is different. Okay, plastic on the side. Well, this is the global version of the Redmi Note 5. Well, it's the global version, Redmi Note 5. Let's quickly open the plastic. Carefully opening the plastic. Nice packaging. Well, the unboxing is a pleasure. The unboxing I do of the cell phones are a sheer pleasure. I just love unboxing my favorite techs. Well, okay, it has another plastic on it, so I have to open this as well. The knife is relatively busy at the moment because the packaging is ultimate. The Xiaomi Note 5. On the right side, the global version written on the right, and global version written on the left as well. Putting this on the side, cleanliness important, the first priority. Opening it, baby, open sesame. Well, a Redmi Note 5. From the front it says dual camera, artificial intelligence powered dual camera, vivid backlit and low light photos. Amazing. 13 megapixel front camera. Well, the dual rear camera, I have to test it out with the other smartphones, the high end, the medium ones, and the lower end as well. I will test them with the Redmi Note 5 on, and the front camera is 13 megapixel front camera, artificial intelligence as well. And this one is my favorite. I love Snapdragon 636 octa-core processor. This is superb. I just love this Snapdragon. Well guys, something written in Chinese: do not disassemble. I will not disassemble it, I will use it. The back fingerprint scanner is also beautifully located, as in my Infinix Note 5. Well, it has a dual camera. In the middle there is a flash similar to some smartphone I know, which is a high-end smartphone, but it looks good. Just tearing off the plastic, man, oh man. Wow, amazing. Just love opening, just love it. Okay, Cell phone is good looking. Smartphone is superb. The color is nice. This is my personal choice. I really like the color. Well, from the front I see the earpiece, I see the sensors, I see the flash. I think it's a flash. It has a 13 megapixel front camera, and from the bottom there is nothing but chin. From the back, the cameras as usual, the fingerprint scanner, the Mi logo, and pretty much it. From the right, the volume rockers and the power key, your SIM ejector tool over here, the speaker grill situated on the bottom. I think it's micro USB, their microphone, and the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. That is superb. Well guys, let's see what are the contents. Just opening, try to open. Where is my SIM ejector tool? I was looking for it. Well guys, you have your some of the paperwork, and I see there is a case. A case is given. Now this is the standard that these manufacturers are giving these cases in the smartphones out of the box. Well, you can use it. Well, this is not my personal choice. There are others in the market, so you can purchase from there. There are some quality standard back cases, because I don't think this is a nice one. Okay, the Xiaomi charger, simple looking charger. There's nothing exciting about it. There is your micro USB. I can see my micro USB. I can't see the headphones. The headphones are missing in this thing. Did it fall off? Because it was packed. I can see the SIM ejector tool hidden inside. It's fairly hidden. Xiaomi, you are hiding. The SIM ejector tool is hiding, and this is the smallest SIM ejector tool that I have ever seen. Smallest. What can I do with it? You can see the SIM ejector tool is hard to see when it is on my table. Well guys, that's about it. The headphones are missing in this thing. The headphones, I have to use my other headphones from the other manufacturing companies. Well, let's just start this and let's see if it has some juice or not. Okay, it has some juice. The Xiaomi logo is written mi.com. Well, in the website you can see the other details as well about the other products of the Xiaomi. Well, this is a tiny written, powered by Android. I can hardly see this. Just a second. Okay, I can wait. Well guys, see you in 5 minutes. I will play with this baby and see you guys in a minute. Well guys, I'm in my fingerprint scanner area. Let's see how fast is the fingerprint scanner. So let's see how fast is the fingerprint scanner. Okay, just setting the password again. Oh my god, again. Confirm. Now it's confirmed. Let's see how fast the fingerprint scanner is. Okay, it's done. I think it's 5 seconds. Very good. Nice one from Xiaomi. So guys, now I'm in my home screen. Looks very good. The full high definition display, the 6-inch screen is looking superb. Well, this is the first time that I'm using any Xiaomi smartphone. By the looks of this, I have to learn this system UI, the settings. So I can find where is the settings, where is the software update. Here is the software update. I have Android version 8.1 Oreo. Well guys, let's see about it. Will it get the Android 9 or not? Okay, about the other contents, I have to check this out as well, how fast this baby is. No headphones. I cannot check the quality of these headphones. Well, that's about it. The paperwork, SIM ejector tool, the tiny SIM ejector tool. Where is it? Here you are, this tiny SIM ejector tool. And that's about it. The warranty. The main feature of this box is obviously the cell phone. The other accessories are just a necessity. Well guys, this is it. Tell me, what do you think about the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 unboxing video? Do comment me. I'll reply to your comments, and do tell me what about the accessories, the missing headphones. What do you think about it? We will discuss in the comment section. Well guys, that's about it. See you in my next video of the Xiaomi Mi Note 5. Till then, this is Zubair from Zubi Tech World. See ya.